Yum, 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 yum. Mm. Wow. You can taste everything in there. You can taste that the hint of the bananas, the chocolate, and the pecans all mixed together. It's amazing flavor. Welcome to Cook and Bake with Samir. Today we're going to be making banana bread with chocolate and not walnuts, the other ones, pecans. Okay. What I have in here is 6 tablespoons of room temperature butter. I need to start whipping them in a stand mixer. I'm going to be adding a third cup of regular sugar. Let it mix for about... Now I'm going to be adding a third cup of brown sugar. Yum, yum, yum. 2 eggs at room temperature. All right, so here we are whipping our eggs. I want them whipped before I put them in there. Let's add our eggs in here. Banana bread is so simple to make. Let it mix in. What I have here is 4 ripe medium-sized bananas. I'm going to be just mushing them with a fork here. Now we're going to be adding 1 3/4 cups of flour here. Our half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of my own homemade vanilla extract. I have the video, maybe I'll even link it for you down in the description here. 100% no alcohol, homemade. Let's go ahead and add our bananas. Okay. See how simple it is? We're almost done. Okay, I'm going to be putting a third cup of chocolate chips. Yum, yum, yum. Half a teaspoon of salt. We have half a cup of chopped walnuts here. There we are. Look at those pecans. We're going to fold them together. See, it quickly comes together. That's all you need. And what I have here also, 9-inch baking pan. I pre-buttered it a little bit here. We will empty this in here. Look at that. Beautiful. See how the oven is at its lowest? I'm going to put it in the middle. Right there. We're going to bake it at 340 for 1 hour. And let's check on our bread. Banana bread, that is. Then we'll wait for it for an hour and we will taste it. Yum, yum, yum. Cut a couple slices here and see how it is. Oh, whew, this got so smooth. This is wow, wow, wow. And this one. Oh, the aroma of the bananas, the chocolate. Those pecans. Yum, 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 yum. Wow. The bananas, the chocolate, and the pecans all mixed together. It's amazing flavor. Okay, hold on. So how easy it was, how quick it was to make it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Until next time, you take care. Bye-bye.